In this video, you'll learn how to edit your resume in Indeed so you can quickly keep it up to date for potential employers. Keeping your resume current is one of the simplest ways to improve your chances of getting noticed, and the process on Indeed is actually very straightforward once you know where everything is. First, make sure you're logged into your Indeed account and you're on your home dashboard. This is the main page you see right after signing in. If you're not sure you're there, look for your account name or icon in the top corner and a general overview of your job searches, recommendations, or recent activity in the main area of the page. That's your dashboard, and it's the starting point for editing your resume. From this home dashboard, you'll need to navigate to your resume. To do that, go to your account area and then into your profile. Usually you can access this by clicking on your profile picture or your account name at the top of the screen, then selecting the profile option from the drop-down menu. Once you're in your profile, you should see a section labeled Resume. This is where Indeed stores your resume information, whether you created it directly on the site or uploaded a file earlier. When you see your resume section, look for an option that says Edit Resume. This is typically a clear button or link next to your resume details. Go ahead and click on Edit Resume. This will open an editable version of your resume where you can make all your changes. Now you can start updating your details. Take a moment to review each part of your resume carefully. Check your contact information first to make sure your email address and any other details you've chosen to share are current. Then move on to your work experience, education, skills, and any additional sections you've added, like certifications or achievements. As you update your work experience, focus on your most recent roles. Make sure your job titles, company names, and dates are accurate. It's a good idea to refresh your descriptions with clear, concise, bullet-style statements, even though they'll appear as regular text, that highlight your responsibilities and accomplishments. If you've changed roles, gained new responsibilities, or completed important projects, this is the time to add that information. Next, check your skills section. Add any new skills you've learned since you last updated your resume, especially ones that are relevant to the jobs you're applying for now. You can also remove skills that are outdated or no longer match the type of roles you want. If you've completed new training, courses, or degrees, update the education or certification sections as well. Keeping this current shows employers that you're actively developing your qualifications. As you make changes, take a moment to read everything back to yourself, ideally out loud, to catch any typos or awkward phrasing. Small errors can leave a poor impression, so a quick review is worth the extra minute. When you're happy with all your updates, don't forget the final step. Save your changes. Look for the Save button, usually at the bottom or top of the page, and click it. Wait a moment to make sure the page confirms that your resume has been saved or updated. That's all there is to it. By going to your resume through your account profile, clicking Edit Resume, and carefully updating your details before saving, you'll keep your Indeed resume accurate, polished, and ready to send with your next job application.